Hello and welcome to KSG India Explainer video. India on 3rd October 2020 successfully tested fire its indigenously developed nuclear-capable hypersonic missile Shaurya with a strike range of around 1,000 km from a test range in Odisha. Shaurya, which is the land variant of India's K-15 missile, has a strike range of 700 km to 1,000 km, is capable of carrying payloads of 200 kg to 1,000 kg. The surface-to-surface tactical missile was blasted off from canister strap to the ground launcher from Launch Complex 4 of Integrated Test Range in the APJ Abdul Kalam Island and covered the desired range. It is 10 meters long, 75 centimeters in diameter and weighs 6.2 tons. Its two stages use solid propellants. The state-of-art missile performed a maneuver in closing stages of its flight and hit the impact point in Bay of Bengal with precision and accuracy. A gas generator at the bottom of canister pushed the missile out. Its first stage ignited then and fell off. The second stage went into action after this. During the test flight, missile was tracked by various telemetry stations and radars and performed well. Shaurya is one of the top 10 missiles in the world in its class with its high-performance navigation and guidance system, efficient propulsion system, sophisticated control technologies and canisterized launch. The missile can be launched from silos and canisters mounted on a track and fixed on the ground. It can be easily moved around. A truck itself can become a launching platform. Shaurya missile can be kept in locations where the enemies would not be able to detect them. Besides, it cannot be detected by satellite imaging. Thank you for watching. For more updates, stay tuned to ksgindia.com.